Imagine a world where robots do all the hard work. Elon Musk says that world is here, and it's powered by Tesla's Optimus. But is this the end of human jobs or the dawn of a new era? Meet Optimus Gen 3, Tesla's latest humanoid robot. Standing tall, capable of complex human-like movements, and costing an astonishingly low $20,000. Musk believes these robots will revolutionize every industry, from manufacturing to even household chores. But here is the biggest shock. Tesla is reportedly halting production of its iconic Model S and Model X cars. Why? To fully dedicate resources to Optimus. With over 1,000 of these robots already operational in Tesla factories, it is a clear sign of Musk's commitment to this robotic future. So what can Optimus actually do? From intricate tasks, like handling delicate objects, to heavy lifting, its capabilities are expanding rapidly. Musk envisions mass production by late 2026, with millions of units deployed globally, transforming industries and potentially our daily lives. This raises a crucial question. Will Optimus eliminate human jobs? Or will it free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to pursue more creative roles? Elon Musk is betting on the latter. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the future.